That's a very loud opening. I wonder if they contracted the Blood Money guy to do that. That's, yep. Okie dokie. Ah, there's that music. Um, and just checking to see. Okay. And well, boy, we're just right into it here. By right into it, meaning I'm not sure how to accelerate. Oh, there's pause. Okay, that's shifting gears. Oh, let's see, I need to shift into low. Oh, boy, I can already tell it's not good times ahead if I have to push up to accelerate. Music's pretty good. I like the toms. Pause this for just a second. That's a pretty cool place to pause. And switch over to Twitch just to make sure there's nobody hiding out in the chat room. Okay, and then we'll bring the stream back up, just make sure we're okay. And back to the action. Ooh. You know, it's a very yellow bordered game. I wonder if the original was this yellow. I guess this is a California, maybe the desert, yellow sand. I don't know. I talked a little bit about this on the Lotus episode, but games where you don't explode and crash and die a fiery death in your car, it makes me want to try it again a little bit more. Oh, look at this. That's cool. I like that too. I'm going to enter my name. There I am. Cool. Well, we'll definitely try this again. You know, I thought this was okay until I saw that city map. Made me wonder what that was. It just dumps you into this thing though. There's no menu screen or anything. Just right into the action. Ooh, right into the trees there. You use your joystick button to switch between high and low gear. I like the bongos. Um, it's a nice touch. The bongos are just uncommonly good for a video game. It's almost like that you've got this synth, and then the bongos were somehow sampled in real time, like as part of a mod file or something. I mean, I know it's weird for me to be going on and on about it, but I'm listening with headphones, and that's some quality bongo. I am not doing real well. I would be doing better if I didn't have to push up to accelerate. I can guarantee it. I'm sure this came before Lotus. Or even if it came after Lotus, I'm sure not as much work went into this as Lotus. But you still get, I mean, you get the animation of the girl's hair in the car. You can almost kind of tell that it's a Ferrari, you know, there. Boy, when you hit game over, see this screen, that just makes me wonder what's going on. I did beat my last score. Happy about that. Boy, look at that score. What is that? 6 to 1 million, over a million, and still pretty terrible. Um, should I try this again? Okay, I guess pushing the mouse button. Ah, okay, here's an interesting thing. So, you can control this with the mouse in some way. Maybe... Uh, oh, what is that? Oh, okay. There we go. I knew it, Amiga. I knew you wouldn't. Oh, you can even... It's just like the arcade game. This is awesome. Okay, maybe. So we definitely want joystick control. Oh, and that lets us maneuver this. Some cars, many cars, splash wave, show info. Well, I think we need a different tune. Ooh, I like that a lot. Let's go with some cars. Control joystick. There doesn't seem to be show info. Played by you. I love it. Okay. Let's go Outrun. How do I get back to the game? Maybe just hit escape again. Let's try it. Yep, okay. See, this tune is already making me play better. Yeah. Man, there's just something about chiptune music that makes me feel good. We were talking about in an earlier episode when they started with mod files just sampling real music. You know, it lost, video games lost something when they stopped synthetically generating the sound. I mean, I'm sure they gained a lot of stuff too, don't get me wrong. But just a tune like this, it makes me happy and nostalgic, and just makes me feel good. Checkpoint! I think, I'm not gonna lie to you, I think some cars played a part in that instead of many cars. But I'll take it. I'm seeing more of the game. I like this kind of grassy area here. Under some of these pillars. Back below. I mean, this game has got... Lotus is such a better game in every respect. But Outrun always had that music. And as you recall from Lotus, Lotus has music that is in between the races, but not in the races itself. I'm talking about Lotus 2, by the way. We do a play through on that and on the Amigos, but we actually lost our audio midway through. We were working with a wonky USB hub at the time, and we may re-record that in the coming weeks, just to get our comments, and just because we'd like to play it again, I'm sure. Boy, I love this song. There's another checkpoint! Desert, I think. Yeah. So this is the desert. So what was all that yellow at first? I guess this is just screen overrun. It's not sure how to display on a widescreen monitor. I'm sure that's got something to do with it. Ooh, that was tricky. You know, these are like well fleshed out tunes too. It's not just, you know, 8 measures that are repeated. There's like a bridge and a chorus. I mean, this part kind of sounds like the Spinal Tap Jazz Odyssey, but you know, the beginning sure was cool. Checkpoint. Well, suffice to say, this will be my last game of Outrun ever, because I will never do as well as I'm doing right now in some kind of Outrun zone. And then the chorus just kicks back in, just like a movie. Oof. That was tricky. And by tricky, I just mean bad. Alright, back in the car, folks. Let's go. We got 30 seconds to make it to the next checkpoint. Boy, the viewpoint has shifted, and now I can see a lot less of the road. I guess they want to show you that you're on a higher elevation. Okay, now we're back to more normal. I don't think I'm going to make it, folks. This might be the end. It's the end. You don't even get to coast to a halt. But let's see how. Look at. Boy, just through those things, up and around that way, up to there.